Hi, I'm Dr. Champagne, a practicing dentist in Morganville, New Jersey, and a dental product shopper contributor. Our team of over 1,200 independent evaluators are all dental professionals just like you. We eagerly use and evaluate products in our practices, then share our experiences with our peers. Today we're focusing on our evaluation of Bisco's Quantium. We'll learn about this product and find out what the independent evaluators had to say about using it in their practices. Bisco Quantium is a light-cured universal composite designed for strong, aesthetic, and efficient restorations in both anterior and posterior teeth. With smooth, non-sticky handling and easy sculptability, it supports precise placement, even in challenging areas. It can be applied in 1 to 2 millimeter increments and cures in just 20 seconds per layer. Quantium offers flexibility whether being used straight from the syringe or as a warmed unit dose capsule to improve flow. It adapts well to preparation surfaces and allows for accurate shaping without sticking to instruments. Its unique filler blend provides high strength, excellent polishability, and resistance to wear, while low volumetric shrinkage helps minimize microleakage and supports reliable marginal adaptation. This composite system is available in multiple Vita shades for effective blending and shade matching. The body and enamel options create natural depth and make layering easy. With high radio opacity, it also shows up clearly on radiographs. Clinicians can use Quantium across all restoration classes, saving time and simplifying inventory. Its polishability and stain resistance contribute to long-lasting aesthetics, and its versatility means fewer products are needed for a wide range of cases. Now let's take a look at what the independent evaluators had to say about Quantium. 12 evaluators with a combined 70+ years in practice took part in this evaluation. They looked at 7 different criteria during their examination. Some of the highest individual scores were given to ideal for use in anterior and posterior across multiple indications received a 4.7. Ease of handling and sculpting when warmed, if applicable, was given a 5. And ease of finishing and polishing was given a 4.8. The overall score for Bisco's Quantium is 4.6, making it a dental product shopper best product. When asked about Bisco's Quantium, Dr. Daniel Hwang of Bothell, Washington noted, "My favorite attribute about this product was the handling." Dr. Kyle Lisenby of Columbia, Missouri shared, "I was much more time efficient when placing it." Dr. David Martin of Totowa, New Jersey stated, "The finish was excellent." So that's our report on Bisco's Quantium, a best product according to independent evaluators. For complete evaluation results and to post your own review of Bisco's Quantium, visit dentalproductshopper.com. I'm Dr. Champagne. Thanks for watching.